Hey Diamonds, welcome back. If this is your first time joining us, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please take a moment and click that like button, hit that subscribe bell, smash that notification. Did I say subscribe bell?
Fire flip, she's a boss, she's a bitch. I take that as a compliment. I've been trying not to go off the deep end.
Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae right back in the saddle with yet another video. If you are a newbie joining us for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please take a moment to click that like button, hit that subscribe, smash that notification bell, show your girl some love so you'll become a part of the Diamond fam, bam, and know as soon as I drop another video. Now Diamonds, I wanted this video to be short and sweet. As you can see, I already did my base. I applied my foundation, I applied my eyebrows, I contoured, I highlighted, I did all that jazz because I wanted to jump right into the mauves. Now I've had this palette forever, so this palette is nothing new to me. I've used it a few times. I just wanted to jump on and show you guys a look that I fell in love with. And I was gonna record this for Valentine's Day because it's real Valentine's Day vampish, but I just didn't get around to it. I didn't have the time, so I apologize about that, but you could definitely use that with the spring and the summer coming up. So without further ado, let's just get right into this video. I've already applied my foundation and brows to start the look. I'm going to set my lids with the Eco Tools Correcting Concealer Brush. To protect my concealer, I'm going to place down some eyeshadow shields. Now these things are super tacky, so Diamonds, I do recommend that you place them and remove them from the back of your hand a few times just to kind of get rid of some of that. Or when you pull it off, it will disrupt your concealer or foundation. With my Moda crease brush, I packed the crease with the second shadow in the palette, and it's a muted Barbie pink with a little shimmer. This shadow is super buttery, great color, and has a good payoff too. The next shadow is a third shadow in the palette, and it's a mute mauve purple. I applied that with my e.l.f. contour brush. But it wasn't giving me what I needed to receive, so I switched to the Morphe M456. Once I packed the color on using the side of the brush, I flipped the M456 brush over and blended the two shadows together using the fluffy part of the brush. I also went back in with the Moda's crease brush just to help it blend a little better. With my finger, I took the fifth shade in the palette and I applied it to the center of my lid. It's a Barbie pink with a green shift reflect. To blend the mauve purple and the green shift together, I went over it with the same M456 brush just to blend out those ends a little bit better. Then I removed the shields and began to buff out any harsh edges. I then grabbed my V Lux's True Fit lashes, and I got this from a beauty supply store here in town, and I applied those using the Duo Dark Tone Eyelash Glue. I then lined my waterline with a jet black eyeliner pencil. And then I use my Sonia Kashuk brush to blend it slightly downward. And with my Morphe M441, I applied my highlighter. To line my lips, I took a deep reddy brown liner. And then I filled my lips with 2020 by Juvia's Place. And diamonds, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please stay tuned for future DIYs, makeup tutorials, and Sister Lock updates. Diamonds, as always, until next time.